Hello everyone, Barry Anderson with Trade Ideas with the trade of the day, and there's no doubt about it, it is SOPA. Now, on a day in which the market is just getting hammered down as I'm speaking right now, the Dow is down 600, NAS is down 240, the SPY is down 76. This is your classic definition of an alpha stock. It doesn't care what the rest of the market's doing. Now, saw this news in the pre-market. Basically, SOPA is being added to the Russell 2000. Where I saw was the Russell 2000, the I index. Now, I'm not sure if that's a variation on it at all, but at any rate, this is what caused this one to jump. I mean, it jumped in the pre-market. This is, that tan area right here. That is the pre-market. But that was nothing with, based on what was going to happen. I mean, this was right around $5, got all the way up to $12.50. Now, first of all, why can that happen? Well, the float is only, let me just see what the float is on it, SOPA. The float is only 12 million, so it's a very low float. But I think more importantly, this is what traders would see. They see this happened, this got up to, this was an IPO back here, one of these crazy IPOs where they only released a few shares, and I think the IPO price was, I'm going to guess, somewhere between $5 and $10. And look what it did. The first day, 54, and then the second day, way up to 78. I mean, there's no reason for it, but that's what can happen with these crazy IPOs that release very few shares and at a low price. And I think that's all the traders were looking at when they saw this. Yes, they had the announcement being added to the Russell 2000, but they're also looking left. And this is not that long ago. It's a little over a month ago that it hit $80 odd, and they're thinking, wow, what if it could do something like that? I mean, even up here at 38. So I think that's the reason. I mean, it was just sort of the attraction of the what if scenario, and of course a little bit of news that happened with SOPA, but absolutely the trade of the day. All right, everybody, want to get back into the trading room. Again, if you're getting the email, you're seeing, you will see there's a promo code for 25% off, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.